Morning from Spain. This is George Jones going to do a review today on some inks I was sent by the manufacturer to try. These inks are for my Epson XP-312 printer. I've tried inks in the past and I've had problems with the chip that's on the side, as you all know. But with these I don't have a problem. I'll just show you what's in the box. First of all, we have two pink, we have four black, we have two blue, and last of all, two yellow. These come complete with a chip. I believe the chips were updated not long ago. These inks are E1814, E1813, E1811 and E1812, the blue. These inks, I'll just show you inside. There's in the black. Bear with me. Okay, you can see the chip. No problem. So, when using these inks, they're high yield. I noticed the blacks printed very well, crisp and dark. The colours were vibrant, especially when printing my Amazon invoice out. When doing one or two photographs, I found that the colours were really good, and really I couldn't tell any difference between these and the original manufacturer's inks. So yes, I would recommend these for you. Thank you for viewing. This is my first review. I hope it gets better as I go on. If you like, please click like. Thank you for watching. George Jones, signing off in Spain.